Hello students, let's start the new topic, that is volume integral. The formula to find out volume integral is triple integration f dot dv over v. Now if this capital F, it is of the form f1i plus f2j plus f3k, then volume integral will be triple integral f dot dv is equal to, we triple integrate all of these three factors. Here taking I common, triple integral f1, with respect we integrate it with respect to dx dy dz. Similarly plus j triple integral f2 dx dy dz plus k triple integral f3 dx dy dz, where this f1 f2 f3 are components of f along Cartesian coordinates axis, and are all these f1 f2 f3 are functions of x, y and z. Let us solve examples of it. So the first example is evaluate triple integral f dot dv, where this capital F is 2xzi minus xj plus y square k, and V is the region. Now this capital V, this is the region bounded by the surfaces x is 0, y is 0, y is 6, z is equal to x square and z is equal to 4. So first we integrate it. This capital F is given, dv means dx dy dz. So we need to find out the limits of x, y and z. So first of all, now here the limits of x are from x is equal to 0 to the line in which z is equal to x square meets the plane z is equal to 4. Now the graph will be like this. What are the limits? X is equal to 0. So this is x axis, y axis, z axis. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 to 6. Limits of y will be, this is y, limits of y will be from 0 to 6. Limits of z from x square to 4. Okay, limits of z, it is given, it is from x square to 4. Limits of y are given. Now limits of x from x is equal to 0. If we put x is equal to 0, then what we get? So the lower limit of x is equal to 0. And what will be upper limit of x? Now here z is equal to 4 and z is equal to x square. If we put z is equal to 4 here, what we get? X square is equal to 4. Means x is equal to plus minus 2. Okay. And accordingly limits of x and z. So definitely limit of x, accordingly limit of y and z, limit of x must be positive, and that will be from 0 to 2. So limits of x are from 0 to 2. So let us substitute all these limits in this definition. Triple integral f dot dv, we will substitute capital F this value, dx dy dz. X varies from 0 to 2, y varies from 0 to 6, and z varies from x square to 4. So this is triple integral f dot dv, triple integral, this is value of f dx dy dz. Now if we integrate with respect to z first, limits of z are from x square to 4, limits of y 0 to 6, limits of x 0 to 2. Now let us take I here, I common, triple integral 2xz dx dy dz, minus j common, triple integral x dx dy dz, plus k common, triple integral y square dx dy dz. In next step what we will do? First let us integrate with respect to z, apply these limits for each of this integral, then integrate with respect to y, and then integrate with respect to x, and after applying limit we integrate one by one, and after applying limit finally we get the answer as 128i minus 24j plus 384k. Okay, so solve it step by step and check whether this answer is correct or not. Next topic is parameterized surface. So the example related to it is, find a parameterization of a cone z is equal to square root of x square plus y square, where z is between 0 to 1. This is the graph of a cone, z is equal to x square plus y square. Limits of z are from 0 to 1. Now to find parameterization means we have to find out the coordinates satisfying, we have to find out the parameterization equation which will satisfy this equation of cone. So by cylindrical coordinates, we know which are cylindrical coordinates. X is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. So from this, these two definitely satisfy this equation. How? What is x square plus y square? That will be r square, and square root of r square will be z. That is z is equal to square root of x square plus y square, taking square of both, and after their addition we get r, where r is between 0 to 1. So what will be parameterization? In parameterization, what we do? We put the values of x, y and z here. So what is x? X is r cos theta I plus y is r sin theta j plus z is r k, where r is between 0 to 1 and our theta is between 0 to 2 pi. Next example is find a parameterization of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square. So this is a graph. Now to find parameterization, we know the spherical polar coordinates, which are those: x is equal to a sin phi cos theta, y is equal to a sin phi sin theta, x is a sin phi cos theta, y is a sin phi sin theta, z is a cos phi, where this phi is in between 0 to pi and theta is between 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so if you put these values of x, y and z in this equation, if you take the square of this is x square plus y square plus z square, so after taking their addition you will get answer as a square. So our parameterization equation will be what? Xi plus yj plus zk. Here we will put the value of x, that is a sin phi cos theta I, plus yj, that is a sin phi sin theta j, plus zk, that is a cos phi k, where this phi is between 0 to pi and theta is between 0 to 2 pi. Next example is find the parameterization of the cylinder x square plus y minus 3 bracket square is equal to 9, where z is between 0 to 5. This is a graph for cylinder of satisfying this equation: x square plus y minus 3 bracket square. Its center is 0, 3. Z varies between 0 to 5. So first of all, this is a cylinder. We know which are cylindrical coordinates: x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, and z is equal to z. So first of all, this is given equation: x square plus y minus 3 bracket square is equal to 9. Let us simplify it. So this will be x square plus y square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 9. 9 will get cancelled. What remains? X square plus y square, that is r square, minus 6. Okay, this 9 will get cancelled. What remains? X square plus y square minus 6y is equal to 0. X square plus y square is r square, so here is r square minus 6, and y is r sin theta. So r sin theta is equal to 0. So that is what we get. One r will get cancelled. R is equal to 6 sin theta, where this theta is between 0 to 2 pi in cylindrical coordinates. Okay, therefore now we will use the value of r, 6 sin theta. So what is our x? X is r cos theta, that is r is what? 6 sin theta. So 6 sin theta cos theta, using the formula, that is which formula? 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. So using that, this value is 3 sin 2 theta. Next, y is equal to r sin theta. R is 6 sin theta. So 6 sin theta into sin theta is 6 sin square theta. And z is equal to z, where theta is between 0 to 2 pi, z is between 0 to 5, it is given. Therefore, what will be the parameterized equation? It is in theta and z. Xi, what is our xi plus yj plus zk? What is our x? X is 3 sin 2 theta I plus yj. Y is 6 sin square theta j plus z into k. Theta is between 0 to 2 pi, z is between 0 to 5. Okay. Next topic is to find out surface area of parameterized surface. So the formula for it: now suppose S is a surface given by R of uv is x uvi plus y uvj plus z uvk, where xy belongs to R. Then mod of Ru cross Rv is equal to square root of, now this is first term, so skip x here, dA by yz upon dA by uv bracket square, plus here skip y, so dA by xz upon dA by uv bracket square, plus here skip z, dA by xy upon dA by uv bracket square. This is mod of Ru cross Rv. where what is meaning of this? How to calculate these terms? DA by xy upon dA by uv is equal to dA by x upon dA by u, here dA by x upon dA by v, and here dA by y upon dA by u, dA by y upon dA by v. So like this we will calculate each of these terms. And what will be the surface area? Then the surface area will be double integral ds. Now what is this ds? This ds is mod of ru cross rv du dv, and this is our mod of ru cross rv. So the surface area will be double integral square root of the value. This is mod of ru cross rv du into dv. Let us solve examples related to it. First example is, find the surface area of a cylinder of height h and radius r. We have to find out surface area of cylinder. Its height is h, its radius is r. So first of all, what is parameterization? X is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, z is equal to z. Here theta varies from 0 to 2 pi and z is between 0 to h because height is h. Now here r and h are radius and height are fixed. So cylinder is given by r theta z is equal to, what is x? X is r cos theta I plus yj, y is r sin theta j plus zk. Theta is between 0 to 2 pi, z is in between 0 to h. So surface area is, formula is double integral mod of r theta cross rz d theta dz. So first we need to calculate this mod of r theta cross rz. That is, its formula is square root of dA by yz upon dA by theta z bracket square plus dA by z upon dA by theta z bracket square plus dA by xy upon dA by theta z bracket square. So first let us calculate this value, mod of r theta cross rz. We substitute this value here. We will get this value as r. So how we get it? So now let us find out each of these values. So here what is given? X is r cos theta, y is r sin theta, z is z. It is given. So dA by yz upon dA by theta z, by formula it is dA by y by dA by theta, dA by y by dA by y by dA by theta, then dA by y by dA by z. Here must be dA by y by dA by z. So dA by y by dA by theta is r cos theta, dA by y by dA by z is 0, dA by z by dA by theta is 0, dA by z by dA by z is 1. So its determinant r cos theta. Next, dA by xz upon dA by theta z is dA by x by dA by theta, dA by x by dA by z, dA by z by dA by theta, dA by z by dA by z. dA by x by dA by theta, its derivative, partial derivative with respect to theta minus r sin theta. dA by x by dA by z is 0, okay. dA by z by dA by theta is 0, dA by z by dA by z is 1. Its determinant minus r sin theta. Last, dA by xy upon dA by theta z, that is, this is the formula, these are partial derivatives, it is 0. So what is mod of r theta cross rz? It is square root of this first plus square of second plus square of third. So that will be square root of r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. That it will be square root of r square, that is r. Means we get this value as r. So we substitute this value here in this formula, that is r. So here is r d theta dz, and here theta varies from 0 to 2 pi, z varies from 0 to h. So after solving these both integrals, what we get? We get 2 pi rh. Okay. Similar to it, next example is, let r be the region determined by theta varies between 0 to 2 pi, r is between 0 to 1, and let function is defined by r. Variables are r and theta, that is r cos theta I plus r sin theta j plus rk. The parameterization of a cone S, find its surface area. So first of all, from this equation, what is x? X is r cos theta, y is r sin theta, and z is equal to r. And we know the formula. We know the formula for surface area. So first we will calculate. So we will calculate first mod of r cross r theta. So how to calculate it? So for that we know here x is equal to So again x is equal to r cos theta, y is r sin theta, and z is equal to r. So again we use the formula da by yz da by r theta, it will be minus r cos theta. Da by xz upon da by r theta will be r sin theta, and da by xy upon da by r theta will be r cos square theta plus r sin square theta, that is r. Okay. So mod of r cross r theta will be square root of square of each of these. So that is r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta plus this r, that is its square is r square. That is what we get here, square root of r square plus r square, because here we take r square common, in bracket there will be sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1. So here we get r square plus r square, that is we get square root of 2r square. R square can be taken outside, so what we get here, root 2 into r. Okay. So here our mod of r cross r theta is root 2 into r. Therefore surface area is by formula double integral this r cross r theta, that is root 2 into r dr d theta. R varies from 0 to 1. It is given in question, r varies from 0 to 1, theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. Okay. So solving this integral, what we get answer as root 2 pi. That is surface area of a given cone is root 2 into pi. Okay, let's stop here. In next lecture we will solve some more examples. Thank you.